Hi everyone, welcome back to Kitty Kate and Livvy-Bel's YouTube channel. Today we are just trying out a few little hairstyles that we do tend to use for Olivia when she goes to school. Being a busy mum, it's quite tricky to get really complicated with the hairstyles that we're doing in the mornings, isn't it really, Olivia?
Yeah.
So we need to try and make sure that it's quite straightforward, easy, quick to do, so that we can just get it done and get on our way. Hi everyone, so we're on to hairstyle number 2 now. We definitely used it when we went to Disneyland. It looks a little bit like Minnie Mouse ears. 2 bunches, you plait them up, wrap them round on top. They look really effective and they're really quick and easy to do, especially that manic time in the morning when you've just got to try and get yourself and all the children out of the house, ready for the school run. Nice and quick hairstyle. I'm just going to brush Olivia's hair through once again. We'll give her a straight parting all the way down to separate the hair into 2 halves. Would you like some new toys? Would you? Going to find different ones. Anything you've got really that will help you to get that nice straight line. Olivia's parting slightly off centre here, but I tend to bring it round so it's central at the back. The soft curve that goes around the centre. If it doesn't quite go straight, you can correct it, which is great. So you just bring it up, separate it out.
Wow.
And then we brush this section as well, do the same there. I mean, if you're really stressed about them kind of ending up mixing together again, then you could tie it off with a hair bobble or a hair clip, but it is quite straightforward. If it's long, you can just pop it around the front, job done. We're going to end up kind of in like a high pigtail style to start off with. Then we will show you the next stage in a moment. Okay, so we've got one of our pigtails in already. The best thing to do really is try and line them up as neatly as possible so they don't look wonky. Hopefully these won't. And then it'll just make it look that little bit more symmetrical when it's all finished.
Nice.
Obviously we've got our pigtails in now. I mean, you could quite happily leave the hairstyle like that, and that would be a real easy way of doing your daughter's hair for school. But if you do want something a little bit more fancy, a little bit more cool, probably, I would say. I don't know. What do you think on this Minnie Mouse hairstyle that we're going to do, Olivia?
I think it's cute because it's very effective.
Cool. Is it your favourite one?
Yes.
Excellent. Right, so what we're going to do is we're going to proceed to plait each one of these. Then we will wrap it around, and then you can either finish it off with hair clips or bows. But we tend to just kind of keep it quite simple and just use your standard hair bowl. And then just to hold it all together, and then it all just kind of looks like, like a great big mound of plaited hair right on the top, and it resembles Minnie Mouse.
So this type of hair is like a Disney theme, isn't it?
Yeah, Disney. We've plaited this section, as you can probably see by now. I don't know if you can see that against my black jumper. Once it's all plaited, you could finish it off, not a massive amount of points. We're going to wrap it all up. So we'll get straight on with that and repeat exactly the same process on the other side and show you when we're done. Quite content with that toy.
He loves that toy.
Sure. Okay, so if Olivia looks right up at the camera, have a little look, this camera up here. As we're all finished, you can see that we've gathered the plaits around, wrapped them up, secured them in place, and she now looks like Minnie Mouse, which is great.
We hope you enjoyed this video today.
please look out for the next in the series.
If you enjoyed this video today, please remember to like, share and subscribe.
Don't forget to click on the bell to get future notifications of any videos that we have coming soon.